Kingdom Plumbing is a premier plumbing company proudly serving the Henderson, NV community with expertise and dedication. Specializing in residential and commercial plumbing services, Kingdom Plumbing offers a full range of solutions tailored to meet your needs. As a locally owned and operated business, we understand the unique needs of Henderson residents and are dedicated to being a dependable partner in keeping your home or business running efficiently. Call our plumber contractor if you have any questions. Are you looking for a plumber contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found Kingdom Plumbing. What services do plumbers typically provide? Plumbers offer a variety of services, including fixing leaks, unclogging drains, repairing or replacing water heaters, installing pipes and fixtures, sewer line maintenance, and handling emergency plumbing issues. We also provide preventative maintenance to keep systems running efficiently. When should I call a plumber? Call a plumber when you notice issues like persistent leaks, clogged or slow drains, water heater problems, unusual noises in your pipes, sewer odors, or increased water bills. For emergencies like burst pipes or sewage backups, contact a plumber immediately. What is your service area for Henderson, Nevada? Our plumber contractor has helped clients in Las Vegas, Spring Valley, Sunrise Manor, Summerlin South, Paradise, Henderson, Boulder City, Mesquite, North Las Vegas, Enterprise, Whitney, Winchester, Mount Charleston, Sandy Valley, Blue Diamond, Nevada. Where is your Henderson, Nevada plumber contractor office located? We are located at 1489 West Warm Springs Road No. 110 Henderson, Nevada 89014. Our phone number is 725-900-4591. Visit our website www.kingdomplumbing.com/areas-we-serve/Henderson-NV.